Stay-at-home parents going through a divorce. My last video was for you. This one's for you too. And if you're new here, my name is Carrie. I'm a lawyer, and I'm also the owner of Strategic Family Law, which is a marital and family law firm in Florida. My first tip to stay-at-home parents in this situation in my last video was to get informed. Gather information, figure out what's going on, get a handle on what the household finances are, so you're walking into your divorce empowered with knowledge about what there is and what's available. My second tip might be a bit controversial, but here it is. Start thinking about getting a job. Now, there's a big disclaimer here. This does not apply to special situations where getting a job is not an option, such as a stay-at-home parent who has some sort of disability that prevents them from working, a stay-at-home parent who has a child who has a disability, and that parent has to be there for that child, quite often to the detriment of being able to work. I'm not talking about those situations. This tip is geared towards stay-at-home parents who have not worked because that was simply the agreement and the arrangement during the marriage. But if asked, they could go out and work. Nothing prevents them from doing so. The reason why I am encouraging you to consider looking for a job is because even in your best day in court, the judge is going to ask you why you need support from your spouse as opposed to you supporting yourself. And there has to be an answer to that. Only 3 possibilities can come from this. 1, you actually find a job that lets you support yourself to the point that you don't need your spouse's support. Well, that's fantastic. Number 2, you find a job that gives you some support, but not to the level that you need. Now you can show the court that you went out, you looked for a job, you got one, but that your needs still exist. And that makes sense. Number 3, you don't find a job, but you have a good stack of resumes, applications, emails, things you have done to try to fix your situation. The judge will understand that you've tried and it just couldn't happen. So you do need your spouse's support. So no matter which way you slice it, looking for a job can only benefit you because in your best case, you're actually getting rid of this need to have to financially depend on someone, which is great. You can start over on your own. But worst case scenario, you're at least building your case to show the judge why you need your spouse's support. And if you need help thinking about this, call me. Let's talk it through. And I know this is heavy, but happy holidays.